I'll explain to you how to create this text animation. First of all, what you have to do, you have to select the background. Right? Once you select the background, now next step is click on text box, select the text box, right over the text box, enter the text, select the text, click on bold, italic and select the font TWCN matte. Also select the font size 88. Now next select the font color. Now select the shape line and adjust. Select the width of the shape line 8.25 point. Ctrl D to duplicate the line. Now we drag the line and adjust according to the requirement. We manage the text at the center. Drag the line and adjust it. Ctrl D to duplicate the line. Rotate left the 90 degree and adjust the line between the two lines. Right? We have to match both the corner. I'll adjust both the corner. Right? You can see the corner are matched. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the line and click on the animation. From animation you have to select the whip. Effect option, select from right and start should be on click. Duration should be 0.25. Second is whip. Effect option should be from top. Okay, start from after previous and duration should be 0.25. Okay, the third line, select the third line, click on wipe. Effect option from left, start from after previous and duration should be 0.25. Okay, now I'll select the text and select the option flying. Effect option from right. Start after previous. Click on animation pan and select the effect option smooth end 0.0 second. Ctrl D to duplicate the text. Okay, now select the text and adjust the font size. Select the font size to 36 drag the text, select the text and change the font color. Click on fly in. Effect option from left and start from after previous. Duration should be 0.50 second, and effect option, click on effect option, smooth edge, OK. The first part of the animation is over and we will check from slideshow. In this way, first part has completed. Now we'll do the reverse action. So select that select that one text box. Click on format shape and match the background text. Click on no outline. This will help entering the small text box. Now select the small text box, click on animation, add animation and exit, select fly out option. Effect option to left. Duration should be 0.5 second. Effect option smooth end 0.5 second. Right, next select the line, add animation, select wipe, effect option from right, start after previous, duration should be 0.25 second. Select the next line, click on exit wipe, effect option from bottom, start from after previous, duration should be 0.25 second. Last line, select again wipe, effect option from left, start from after previous, duration 0.25 second. Now select the text box, add animation, fly out, select from to right, then drop down effect option, smooth start 0.25 second, and we'll see how it's look once the entire animation get ready. In this way you can create more and more text animation with the help of PPT.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Thank you for watching.